Fuely heads and her hearse on the floor. She's waiting tonight down in the parking lot outside the 7-Eleven store. Me and my partner, son, he built her straight out of scratch, and he rides with me from town to town. We only run for the money, got no strings attached. We shut 'em up and then we shut 'em down. Tonight, the strip's just right. I wanna blow 'em off in my first heat. Summer's here and the time is right for racing in the street. We take all the action we can meet, and we cover all of Northeast State. When the strip shuts down, we run 'em in the street, from the fire roads to the interstate. Now some guys, they just give up living and start dying little by little, piece by piece. Some guys come home from work and wash up and go racing in the street. Tonight, the strip's just right. I wanna blow 'em all out of their seats. We're calling out around the world. We're going racing in the street. I met her on the strip 3 years ago in a Camaro with this dude from LA. I blew that Camaro off my back and drove that little girl away. But now there's wrinkles round my baby's eyes, and she cries herself to sleep at night. When I come home, the house is dark. She said, "Baby, did you make it alright?" She sits on the porch of her daddy's house, but all her pretty dreams are torn. She stares off alone into the night with the eyes of one who waits for just being born. For all the shut down strangers and hot rod angels rumbling through this promised land. Tonight my baby and me, we're gonna ride to the sea and wash these sins off our hands. Tonight, the highway's bright. Out of our way, mister, you best keep. 'Cause summer's here and the time is right for racing in the street. between